Honestly, I feel like if my father can do this, I can do this.
Yeah, but how come you're not doing it?
Good question. You're not gonna believe it. Today, we are cooking with Mama. Just kidding! Papa Pandu!
Papa Pandu trying.
All right, here's the deal. I'm home in Texas. My mom's not here. I'm spending some time with my dad. More on that in a future video. But today, Papa Pandu is gonna show you a skill you probably didn't know about him. Dad?
Yes.
What are you cooking today?
Well, I'm trying to cook dal curry.
I thought it was Papu.
Yeah, that's a dal is papu, right?
We
In
call it
Telugu.
Papu.
In Telugu, yeah. Mommy told me how to do it, so we'll try.
He's not giving himself enough credit, guys. He's a really good cook, and you're about to learn a recipe from Papa Pandu. First things first, Dad.
Yeah.
What ingredients do people need to make your dal curry?
I think 1 cup of dal for like an hour.
So you soaked the dal for an hour.
And then I soak this tamarind also to make it the juice. And about 3 tomatoes and 1 onion.
This is all the spices. Green chili, curry leaves, garlic, mustard seeds, cumin?
Cumin.
Red pepper, chili powder in a snowflake container is a plus. Turmeric also in a snowflake container. And salt because
You need some,
life.
some oil.
How much oil? This much oil.
Just that's oil, but when you put, put like one time you put like 2 spoons.
This is the pot.
There's another part you need.
And this is the Raj, the star of today.
We'll try.
Okay, what are you gonna start with?
Turn the stove on first. Okay. Then put this dal into this. I'm trying, okay? You add some tomatoes, all the tomatoes, like I got 30. And then you add these onions too. Add some salt.
How much?
About 1.5 spoons. If you need more, you can add later, right?
Man, you know if that was mom, she'd do like 5 spoons.
No, we don't want that. That's not good for your blood pressure. 1/4 spoon of turmeric. Red pepper, 2 spoons. These are small spoons. Let me add a little more. Add some oil to it. A little bit.
That's nothing, Dad. You need more than that to cook.
Just a little bit. That's enough. You're the one cooking or I'm the one cooking?
I don't know. I'm just confused. I feel like you just did half the things that mom usually does.
Add water, a lot of water. And that's it for a while. It'll take like about cook this one for half an hour, I think,
This looks like a soup. So you just let it sit like this for 30 minutes?
Yeah. Meanwhile, I'm going to cook rice for you.
What about the spices? They're chilling over there.
That's the last part.
On what level do you put it on?
Medium.
Medium?
Yeah.
Do you cover it?
I'm not going to cover. I'm going to cook
Okay.
actually low flame. Not
His kitchen, his rules. I trust him because every day I've woken up to a gourmet breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I didn't know he had it in him. I see him laying in bed looking up Indian food recipes on YouTube. Who is this guy?
Because of you.
Fun fact, my dad and I lived together alone in high school.
Yeah.
So now I just feel like we're back in my high school days.
Back to good olden days.
Good olden days, me and dad.
Yep.
We got 30 minutes, let's call Mama Pandu.
We'll come back. That's it.
I swear, the second this baby's been born, I am chopped liver. Mommy Pandaloo.
Hi, Blue.
Get ready.
That's so good. Oh my God, that looks so good now.
Everybody wants to come
That
here.
looks so good. Raja, you become like a dinner chef.
Looks like mommy is going to make me to cook every day. I better not show to her.
ఎవరో ఒకసారి అది హ్యాబిట్ అయిపోద్ది చాలా
No. Mommy's getting smart. Mommy wants to get out of this. No.
I won't let you do that anyway. I enjoy cooking also.
Wash dishes, that's it.
Is dad the new Mama Pandu?
I'm amazing here. I'm surprising. Why? He never did it. Marriage అయ్యి 39.5 years అయింది. ఇంకో 6 months లో 40 years అవుతుంది. He never cooked like one day. You know what? I did not know that COVID will do like this. This I'm very impressed of COVID. I'm very impressed of COVID. They changed daddy.
Mom, how's my nephew?
Jaden Pandu. He made my day every day. I'm enjoying every second. He has little expressions in her face, mouth. Oh, I'm enjoying it. Oh yeah, I'm really happy I came here to help them. My God, I thought I don't know whether I can make it or not because of this COVID, this, that, but I'm so happy I came here. I want you to stay there until we come, Deepalu.
We'll see. Right now we're getting along, right, Dad?
Look at it. How nice the mango.
Okay.
I'm helping Monica and he's helping you.
Excuse me, I came home to help him.
Yeah, actually you came really helping because
Daddy's changed so much since you got home.
He's cutting a mango.
yeah, he's really enjoying with you, Deepalu. I'm so
He
glad.
said it too.
Okay, we're gonna go back to cooking.
Love you guys.
Love you guys.
Mwah.
Give Jaden a kiss from me.
We will when he wakes up.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Turn out to be like this. Wait.
Did you hear him? He said, I didn't know it was gonna turn out like this. We're back a little over an hour later, so it took longer than expected.
Yeah,
But,
easier if you had that pressure cooker, but I don't know where mommy kept that one.
oh yeah, he said something about a pressure cooker. But Dad, it's fine. Just know that it takes longer to cook in this thing. But look how good it looks. Yes, Dad, get in my belly.
Now you add this one, remember? The juice we made it? I'm just filtering now. Then you cook this one another 5 more minutes.
What about the spices?
Yeah, that's what I'm doing now. Move.
Oh, separate. Ooh.
So now you put some oil into this one and wait until this get a little bit boil. First put this one, garlic.
Because it takes the longest?
Yeah, we're gonna put one by one.
Oh, I thought it was gonna pop in my face.
You can put all of them.
Okay,
Yeah, this is the best.
this one?
Yeah.
What is it called?
This is cumin seeds and
Yeah.
mustard seeds. And wait until this cumin seeds and mustard seeds.
We make our own rules.
I think so, because we don't know.
Rodney told me this once, and Mom told me too.
Right.
You need to have them crackle and
I think that's what you should put first, then the garlic.
probably.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
It's okay. Now we know.
We're learning.
See, you could do this. We can figure things out.
Yep. Looking good.
Dad, I'm really impressed with you.
I think so. I can keep my job.
I think you can keep your job.
Okay, now we can put it in. Let's get ready chilies. And that one. And then mix a little bit. And
3 of the...
Yeah. Then put that seed. That's it. So it's about 1 or 2 minutes. Like it?
Looks good.
Stay here. Don't go to LA. So we can cook like this.
Maybe I will.
All you have to do is add this one into this dal. They put that, they add this one. That
Whoa, that's fancy.
Now that's it.
Don't you have to let that cook a little?
For 2 minutes. Ready to cook the Mary?
Yum, yum, yum. Moment of truth, moment of truth. Oh, you made white rice? I thought we were
Yeah.
only doing brown rice.
This one is good with white rice.
Special occasion.
Yes.
Yum, Dad.
Get your fork and eat.
Look at that leaf on top. It's like you planned that. Yes.
Looks good, huh? It's good.
Dad, I could eat this every day.
It's good.
Dad! It's the perfect spice, Dad. This is amazing. Dad is amazing. I think he's gonna have to do this again on my channel. What's next, Dad? What's the next cooking adventure for Papa Pandu and Dee?
Next one, you need a rasam, he said, right? Like a soup.
I feel like we just did that. We need something out of the box. Sweet potato curry.
Oh, okay.
You gotta let us know down below what other, since Papa Pandu's the new Mama Pandu, I'm just kidding, Mama Pandu's irreplaceable, but you know what? Papa Pandu is incredible on his own right, and I want the world to see him shine and thrive because he deserves all the credit in the world. So, what do you want Papa Pandu to cook on my channel next, or just do on my channel next? Let us know in the comments below. Tell him to let us know in the comments below. Okay, he's in his zone. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so, and we're gonna continue eating this amazing lentil dal papus. It's just delicious.
It's good.
See you next time, guys. Gotta go eat. Bye. Honestly, Mom, I'm not even just saying this. The best papu I've had in my life.
Oh my God, that looks so good. Deepica.
Dad has a full schedule, man. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
After you get married, you have to cook for your husband, right?
He can cook for me.